Did you know that the demand of data professionals is skyrocketing? Businesses everywhere are seeking data experts, and here is the big question. Are you ready to jump into the world of data, but unsure where to start? You are in the right place. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of data analytics and data science. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which path align with your career goals. Let's jump right in. Hi, I am Taib and I am thrilled to guide you through this exciting topic. You probably heard a lot about data analytics and data science lately, but what's the difference between them and which one is the right for you? Let's break it down and help you to find your perfect fit. First, let's explore data analytics. This field is all about using data to answer specific questions. For example, imagine a data analyst is trying to figure out why sales dropped last month. They dig into the sales data, look for trends, and identify what went wrong. Data analytics focused on existing data and use tools like Excel, SQL, and Power BI to extract insight and help businesses make informed decisions. Data analytics is super practical. It's about creating reports and dashboards that allow businesses to understand their performance. It's kind of like being a detective who solve businesses problem with data clues. If you enjoy working with numbers, identify patterns, and providing immediate solutions to business challenges, then data analytics might be your perfect fit. Now let's shift gear to data science. While data analytics focus on answering specific question with existing data, data science goes deeper, and data science build predictive models and algorithm to forecast future trends. They work with programming language like Python and R and handle complex data sets, including unstructured data like text or images. Think of data science as an exploratory side of data. It's all about creativity and innovation. Data science often develop new ways to analyze data, tackle complex problems, and even create a new algorithms. For example, they might develop a machine learning models that predicts customer behavior, helping companies personalize their marketing efforts. If you are passionate about coding and love the idea of creating models and that can predict the future, then data science could be your call. So, what are the key difference between data analytics and data science? Let's do a quick comparison. The focus different between them. Data analytics is about answering current questions like why did the sale drop. Data science, on the other hand, it's about predicting future customers like which customer are likely to buy in the next quarter. The tool difference between them, data analysts typically use tools like Excel and SQL for quick manipulation, while data science rely on Python, R, and machine learning frameworks. The skill difference between them, data analysts need strong analytical skills and business acumen, whereas data scientists require advanced knowledge and statistical programming and machine learning. So probably you are thinking which path should I choose if you love working with existing data to make business decisions and enjoy using tools like Excel and Power BI. Data analytics is fantastic fit. But if you are into coding, algorithms, and predictive modeling, then data science might just be perfect match. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about data analytics and data science? Are you more drawn to practical problem solving of data analytics or the innovation modeling of data science? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. Your feedback could help others decide their path too. No matter which path you choose, both fields are full of opportunities and play crucial roles in today's data driven world. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this knowledge with anyone who's curious about data analytics and data science. Be sure to check my other videos for more insight into the world of data. Let's keep learning together. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the world of data. Remember, the more we learn, the more we grow. Let's stay curious and inspired. See you in the next video.